Navigating ATM withdrawals in Japan with your Wise card can be surprisingly smooth if you know a few key things. First off, you'll want to find an ATM that accepts international cards. Look for logos like Visa, MasterCard, Maestro, or Plus. The most reliable places to find these are at 7-Eleven convenience stores, Japan Post Bank ATMs, and some major banks like 7 Bank or Ian Bank. Once you've located a compatible ATM, it's time to insert your Wise card. Follow the on-screen prompts carefully. The ATM will likely ask you to select your language. Choose English for the easiest experience. Next, you'll be prompted to select your transaction type for cash withdrawals. Choose the option that says Withdrawal or Cash Advance. Before you confirm the amount, be aware of potential fees. While Wise itself doesn't charge for withdrawals up to a certain limit per month, the ATM provider in Japan might charge a small fee. The Wise app will usually show you an estimate of the Wise conversion rate and any Wise fees. But it's always good to be aware of the ATM's own charges. The ATM will then ask you to enter the amount of Japanese yen you wish to withdraw. Wise will convert your chosen currency to yen instantly at a mid-market rate, which is one of the biggest advantages of using their card. After entering the amount, confirm the transaction. The ATM will then dispense your cash, and your Wise card. Make sure to take both. A crucial tip: always choose to be charged in local currency. If given the option, this means you'll be charged in Japanese yen, and Wise will handle the conversion at their excellent rates, avoiding potentially higher fees from dynamic currency conversion. Keep your Wise card information safe, and remember the ATM withdrawal limits outlined by Wise to avoid any surprises during your travels or stay in Japan. Happy withdrawing!